What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mike It Yourself. This is our last video for 2025. I just want to say thank you to all of you who have supported this channel, whether it be just simply by watching the videos because you know who I am, you're my friend, you're my family member. If you're watching these videos because you're getting something out of it, I hope I'm delivering back to you. And if we've become friends through the channel, I want to say thank you to you too. 2025 has been a tough year for a lot of folks. I hope that 2026 is looking up for all of you, whether it be in your health, your family, financial, whatever it may be. I hope that 2026 is going to be a better year for all of you. Here at Mike It Yourself, we're going to continue to evolve. We're going to be adding some different things to the channel as far as video content goes. Now, you know, I'm not a moto vlogger, so we're not going to go that direction. We may have some writing video pieces in some of the videos, but we're not going to get into a different world, right? That's not my niche. If you look behind me over my shoulder here, you can see we've got a 3D printer on the counter. That's a little glimpse into what, you know, we're going to be doing on the channel here in the near future. So stay tuned to those videos. I think we're going to have some pretty cool stuff that we can produce. And hopefully, again, kind of save some money, right? Granted, you have to buy the equipment to do this, but in the long run, you want to get that return on investment. So I look forward to next year's videos. I hope you do too. And until my next video does post, Happy New Year. God bless you. And thank you for your support.